Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent these really nice pair of pruning shears. This is actually really nice for several reasons. One, it's an all steel design all the way down through the handle. It does have this lovely offset color which will help you find that if you happen to drop that out in the wilderness there. Nice ergonomic handles on this that are coated with a nice rubberized grip. The back side of this here does have a nice switch that is going to keep it from springing open. It's not going to easily just pop open on you, but when you flick that down with your thumb, now it easily glides and springs open. It does have the SK5 carbon steel blade that is really sharp, and it does have the ability to cut up to 1-inch branches. Going to be pretty effortless. Even pruning smaller branches, I mean, that's just going to come off really small. But even if you got down here, got some bigger branches, I mean, that took little to no effort at all. And so this is going to be able to make short work of any of those outdoor trimmings that you're going to need to do, which is really great. If the blade does get dirty, just simply wipe it off. It's going to come clean, and whenever you're done, lock it back in place, and you can easily stick this in a pocket, stick it in a tool belt, gardening belt, so that way you've got it quick and handy, and you can use it all the time.